Most people get life insurance wrong by thinking it's complicated or unnecessary, but choosing the right policy is essential for financial security. Today, I'm sharing an honest review of Securian life insurance based on my usage experience. Securian offers term life, whole life, and universal life policies. One surprising feature is flexibility. They let you customize coverage amounts, payment terms, and riders for disability, critical illness, or accidental death. Most people get this wrong by assuming all life insurance is the same, but Securian allows personalization. Application is simple. You can apply it online, and the website clearly shows premiums, coverage details, and policy features. Some policies may require a medical exam, which ensures you get accurate rates. Customer service is responsive. When I had questions about policy changes and beneficiary updates, representatives were quick and knowledgeable. Online account management makes it easy to view your policy, track payments, and update information. One downside is cost. Whole life policies are more expensive than term life, but the benefit is lifelong coverage and cash value accumulation. Most people get this wrong by focusing only on price and ignoring long-term benefits. In conclusion, Securian life insurance is reliable, flexible, and easy to manage. Most people get life insurance wrong by assuming it's complicated or expensive, but my experience shows it provides peace of mind and security for you and your loved ones. Subscribe for more life insurance reviews and tips to make smarter financial decisions.